Okay, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the chassis fan from the Dell XPS 8930 computer. This is the chassis fan. This exhausts the air out like this way up, and sometimes this fan gets worn out and you have to replace it, and I'll show you how to replace it. So you just push on this tab like this way, and this cover should just come out like that. Just pull it out. Next thing is you want to take this cover out, so move it to this position right here. This would be to unlock it. This is to lock it again. So unlock it and just pull this up just like that. And what you want to do is you want to remove this thing. So there's one screw that is holding it in place, and that screw is right here, as you can see. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver to get that out. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to remove that screw. Just move it in a counterclockwise direction, and then the screw should just come out like that. And next thing you want to do is you want to move it this way to remove it. You also want to take out the chassis fan connector. I think it's a 4-pin, as you can see. And you could replace this part right here. This. Maybe this is a 90mm fan or 82mm, I'm not really sure. But they have a part for it. You could buy this. You could buy this exact model of fan. There's these little tabs that are holding it in place. I think the way you get it out is you have to pinch, I think, like this. You pinch it and you pull it out like that, as you can see. I got one of the tabs out. To get it in, you just push it in, I think. Let me get another one out. I'll show you how to get it out. You just pinch this, and then you just pull. It's hard to do on camera, sorry. And it comes out, as you can see. You got to do this with all 4 sides, and you could remove the fan and put in a new one. That's how you get it out. And you just have to get it out of here as well. Then you just clip it under. You may need a flathead screwdriver to do that. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. We have to pry it open a little bit. So I've kind of like pried it open like that, so now I should be able to take it out like that. Now I could remove all the tabs if I want, like I showed you earlier, all 4 of them, and then get it in. And to get it in, you just put it like this, and you just push this back in. I think it goes in this orientation, let me see, like that. So the fan orientation is this way. So this is sucking the air out like that from the top. So that's how it is basically. So let me get it in. Try to see how this thing goes in. Okay, so I'll show you how to get it in. It's like this. This is the orientation. You see these clips? You have to slide it on there, and then you have to align it with this hole. So now it's in, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw that in. Or thread it in first and then screw it in. Okay, so that's it. So you just close this now. Oh yes, I forgot one thing. I need to put the connector back in. It goes in just one way. Align it with the 4 pins. Make sure you do it correctly. And it goes in just like that. Get the camera out. That's for the chassis fan, the exhaust fan. So that's in. You just close this and then lock it like that. Put the cover back on. You're all done. That's it. And it goes in this orientation for the case. You just get these tabs into these grooves. I think it goes in at an angle like this, just like that. Push it in, and that's how you replace the chassis fan. If the one that you have in there gets worn out. I think that's the only fan for this. The only part fan for this computer, for the Dell XPS 8930. It's an integral part of the computer, so if this fan dies, make sure you replace it. That's pretty much it, and thank you for watching.